Day 26, doing push-ups consecutively till we get a brand deal. This is not sponsored by Skinny Pop, but this could be sponsored by Skinny Pop or Orville Redenbacher or any of the other ones. I'm gonna try to get a good old bite while we do a push-up. It's gonna be a funny one because I gotta hold it while I go down. It's good. I'm very tired, very sore, probably from doing these 25 days in a row, but at least got some popcorn that time. Maybe tomorrow will be stronger. We'll see. Thanks, guys. Follow, like, subscribe. Let's see where this thing goes.